Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you like what you see and stick around. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a dining room area refresh, reset for the upcoming week, and I'm also going to be decorating my dining room area and front entrance area for fall, and I will show you the decor in my kitchen as well in my coffee bar. But before we get to the cleaning motivation, I also want to mention this is a collab hosted by Angel McMillan here on YouTube. She set up a playlist with a bunch of other creators to bring you cleaning motivation for the week ahead. So this is a Sunday weekend reset video. So a routine to help you get started cleaning and preparing for the upcoming week. So this is going to look different for everybody, as we all have different routines and ways to prepare for the upcoming week. And this particular week, I was decorating for fall. I'm still really trying to figure out what my Sunday reset would look like, my weekend reset to prepare for the upcoming week would look like. So there will be a playlist down below in the description box for you to check out more content creators and their weekly reset, their Sunday resets as well. So grab your favorite drink and sit back, relax, get some cleaning motivation to help you tackle the tasks for the upcoming week, or get up and clean with us. And don't forget to check out that playlist down below in the description box, because you're going to get so much cleaning motivation and ideas how to freshen up your home for the week ahead. And I know that I'm excited to check out the playlist as well. I'm going to put on some music here in a little bit, and then we will get to the cleaning motivation, and I will let you know a little bit more about my channel as we go along. So here is my decor on the table, and then a little bit of mess that I need to go ahead and put away. And I already went ahead and put this apple table runner down to see if it would work. And this is all of my fall decor, but I've pulled out all of the apple decor, and I have some already in my kitchen, which I will show you as well. And there's a few more apples in here, but this is mostly the pumpkin and leaves and stuff left. But I recently got all of my fall decor except for a few big pieces in here, which has been super awesome. Have that there. So like usual, I'm going to decorate over here for fall, and I already put out the fall pillows, and you're going to see this come together, but I need to wipe this down again because there is chalk marks from outside play, and this area gets pretty dusty as well. And I just like to wipe this down because it gets pretty dirty. You can see because of chalk and dirt and all of that. So we're going to go ahead and wipe this down and get decorated, clean off the table and the messy floors and all of that, because yeah, it gets really messy. So let's do this. Actually, I need to pull out this piece here at the bottom too. That is an apple toy thing, so we need to pull that out. And then also have this underneath here. I picked this up off of Amazon, and it's a little, it says a digital toy, but it's really just, you gotta like count the numbers, or use the numbers and count the dots and put the apple on here. Really simple but fun. I'm going to have it as a table center and interactive toy for the kiddos. So yeah.
Well, there's something about the weather when we're out on our own. Something about the path that leads us forever home. We don't need a reason, just changing with the seasons, following the feeling in our souls. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. Well, I can't believe the world's still turning, 'cause we're hopelessly alive. You mean the sunrise? We're still miles away from the end of the day, and the wind walks by our side. We'll fly through the rivers and we'll swim through the sky. Nothing can bring us down when it's you and I. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. And I can't believe the world's still turning and we're hopelessly alive. You, me, and the sunrise. You, me, and the sunrise. And oh, this golden road leads us on forever home. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. Into the sunrise, letting it all go. 'Cause when you're with me, we're chasing daylight, we're soulfully alive. Oh, I can't believe the world's still turning and we're hopelessly alive.
If you are new here, I thought I'd go ahead and introduce myself. I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have an 8-year-old, a 6-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 5-month-old. So yes, life is busy, it is full, and it gets messy. And it's a little bit chaotic at times. But this season, when they are small, is so special, and it's so joyful at times, and I'm so glad that I have this opportunity to homeschool. And here on my channel, I like to share a homeschool journey to inspire others who are starting homeschooling or already homeschooling, and share resources and tips and tricks along the way, and just encourage people in that season of life. And then to share cleaning motivation and home decor. I like to decorate my home for all the seasons, all the things. Not all the things, but a lot of the special holidays or fun holidays that we celebrate, to make our home extra cozy for my kids. And we have been creating sensory bins and just having so much fun in this season of life that we're in. And I share a lot of different things here on my channel that fall into those categories. So if that interests you, then definitely stick around, hit that subscribe button, and I would love to have you join us here as we share those things, and hopefully we can encourage you and motivate you along the way. So now I am just tackling my dining room table and setting up some fun activities and putting away the things that were on the floor as I swept. So I have the wooden worm apple toy there to have the kids interact with, and then I decided to put our big pencil carousel where we store all our pens and pencils and essentials for homeschool. I thought I would go ahead and try it out on the table. We have been doing homeschool mostly at the dining room table, so I thought I'd put it here instead of going back and forth to the other area to grab pens and pencils while we are doing school. We've been needing our crayons and all of that. So I thought I'd go ahead and try and put it here with the table runner in the center. I thought that it would really work out, so it's an experiment, but I put that here. And then on the other side, I have the new apple wooden tree. So we have some apple sensory things, and then our pencils. And yes, the pencil case or pencil carousel definitely needs a refresh in itself, but that is for another time. Things do not go back where they should, but that is okay. They're getting used. So then I'm going to go into my kitchen and tackle a few messes in there and show you the fall decor in here. But first, this is the kitchen door, and I have this apple wreath which I thrifted. And then we have this apple area with a apple clock here, and then the kids put their sunglasses in this apple chart, and it keeps them organized. So I'm just going to tidy up my coffee bar area. This was a mess from lunch prep, and now I am getting it all put away and freshening up this space. And then we will be finishing up the video pretty soon, and I just want to remind you, do not forget to check out the playlist linked down below in the description box for more cleaning motivation, more ways to reset your home for the upcoming week, and definitely like and subscribe along the way when you are checking out the playlist. Show some support and encourage the channels in this playlist, and I hope that you can find positivity along the way. So I'm just wiping down this area, and then I will show you a little bit more details of this coffee bar area, which I really love how it turned out. I love the simplicity of it, and that there's not a lot of color going on over here, and then there's some pops of color over here, and then I have this candle warmer light back here. It just adds to the coziness, and I love that. And then this apple is actually a candy dish, and I actually put our vitamins in there, and the kids don't even know that opens up, so it is super safe and fun. So that is going to finish up today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join us here on this journey as we share our homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, and so much more. So I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out the playlist and Angel's channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.